3 square meals. We're going to take vocabulary and listening. And we're going to read them together. I want you to repeat with me while I read, okay? I want you to repeat. Do you know what is the meaning of repeat? It means saying the same word. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Alright, so the first word over here we have soup. Once again, soup. One last time, soup. As you can see, this is soup. This is soup. Is one of those light things that we eat for dinner sometimes. That's a soup. And then we have omelette. Again, omelette. One last time, omelette. Omelette consists of what? Well, that's right. It consists of eggs. That's right. It's eggs. And sometimes you have some vegetables with it. For example, as you can see here, some tomato and some onions. Alright, so the third one, we have pancakes. Again, pancakes. One last time, pancakes. Well, probably not many people have them here in Saudi Arabia. However, outside, let's say for example in the United States, they have a lot of pancakes. So what we have here, sort of like a honey, it is called actually, do you know what is that one called? It's called syrup. That's what we call it. It's called syrup. And I believe that's sort of like butter or cheese. I believe it's butter. Okay. That's right, it's delicious. Yes, that's delicious. Well, it looks delicious. So it's called pancakes because it's a group, so pancakes. Then we have here, well, I believe this one is our friend in Saudi Arabia. What do we call it? It's rice. Again, we call it rice. One last time, rice. And you know rice very well. We make kabsa out of rice and we make many other things. I believe most of our traditional Saudi dishes consist of rice, and also in Asia, I believe East Asia, they actually eat rice a lot. For example, Japan, Indonesia, and so on. Okay, so rice. Then we have donuts. Again, donuts. One last time, donuts. Some people have them for breakfast. They are full of sugar and they give you a lot of energy. It's called donuts, and I believe they look quite delicious into this picture. So one last time, donuts. Okay, then we have lamb kebab. Again, lamb kebab. One last time, lamb kebab. Do you know what's a lamb? Lamb is, as you know, it's a sheep, but a very small sheep. When it's small, they call it lamb. And kebab, I believe we know what kebab is. It's one of those Arabic dishes that we know, Middle Eastern dishes that we know. As you can see here into the picture, it's sort of meat because it's the lamb meat. So they call it lamb kebab. Yes, that's right. Many people do actually have it for lunch. Yes, many people have lamb kebab for. So, as a summary, in this lesson we have learned and presented the 3 meals and different types of food. We have learned about breakfast, which is the thing that we eat in the morning, early morning especially. And then when we go back from school, when we come home from school, we have lunch. For example, just like you said, pasta and also soup. And then we have spoken about something that we eat at night before we go to sleep, which is called dinner. For example, as you can see here, we have some omelette and, of course, another type of pasta. And thank you so much. This is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure for me to present these lessons for you. Hopefully that we're going to meet into many other lessons. Thank you so much and have a good night.